How to edit customer notification email message in Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to edit or customize your customer notification email message in your Shopify store. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Shopify account, and then in the admin dashboard, you can navigate to the setting in the bottom left corner here. You can click on it. And then in the setting page, in the sidebar, you will find notification here. If you scroll down, you can find notification. You can click on it. And as you can see, there is customer notification. You can click on it. And there are some options here. So there is order confirmation, draft order invoice, and shipping confirmation. So we're gonna edit the order confirmation. So you can click on it. And this is the email confirmation. This is the preview of the email confirmation, the email notification. As you can see, this is your text, and this is the button, and this is the order summary. So this is what the customer will see in their email. So in order to edit or customize it, you can just click edit code here. So this is the confirmation code. So basically, you need some technical skill here to edit or customize it. You cannot randomly remove it. You have to very careful here. You have to very careful here. So you can edit the text. So you can find the text. Maybe you want to change some text. So like this, we'll receive an email when your order is ready for pick up. So you can just customize it if you want, and then yeah, but you cannot uh, delete or edit the code unless you have the skill, or you have the knowledge, or you are the programmer. So after you edit it, let's say you have edited it, you can just save it, and yeah, it's done. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.